Hello, my name's Ben, and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris. I love the Hanseatic League. I love how big it is. They could never join our alliance, though. Oh, actually, maybe they would. Maybe they would. They, all of our alliance members would actually vote yes to have them in there, even though they're a plutocratic oligarchy. The reason that's surprising is that half of our alliance structure thing is, what are they called? They are democratic crusaders, meaning they really don't like non-democratic groups. Really quick, how about these guys? Okay, the Brits are currently at war still. Hopefully they don't lose to the Papal States. That would stink. Oh, they're evangelizing zealots. They're just gonna hate me forever. That's the way they work. Okay. One thing I noticed again is that Hazra still has not been still hasn't been fully surveyed. We're gonna have one of our science ships. This one up here. Who are you? He's almost done with this system, and this system's already pretty good. We're gonna get a construction ship to get up here, and I don't know, maybe not build a mining station quite yet, but we're gonna get that built out pretty good. That's a nice little system. I'm half tempted to throw down a territorial control thingy over here in Zubir. Just, it's too good, right? It's too good. 13 minerals plus a bunch of 13 minerals plus a bunch of science. I mean, you can't really turn that down, right? Or maybe you could. I don't know. Ooh, observatory. I'm still not sure what to do with the observatory. What does it do again? Yeah, plus a lot of output. That seems pretty worthwhile. It's time to start clearing some things. Let's clear you out. We're currently building up our military.
Anomaly found.
And 5% failure risk. Let's do that. I don't even want to think about it.
Construction complete.
Build another one. What do we got? What do we got on here? Torpedo, disruptor. Let's get us like a laser destroyer. There you go. We have pretty good variety in terms of the
Construction complete. Research complete.
in terms of the weapons that we have, but we don't have. Ooh, hey, laser. This is our first like somewhat advanced thing. Oh, you know what? Ooh, it's our first somewhat advanced weapon technology. So it's yeah. Now the real question is, do we want cold fusion reactors? We were just talking about that. It's either cold fusion or UV lasers. You know what? Let's just go cold fusion. We were just talking about how we really do need better power. Now, speaking of power, real quick on the ship designer. Let's go to you guys, upgrade to blue lasers, and see if there's any possible way we can power this bad boy. Probably. Oh yeah. Fusion reactor. There you go. Yeah, that's fine. It's even got the special plasma thrower. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Override the design. Yes, please. And laser destroyer. Blue laser. It's always, you know, that's always the question, isn't it? Blue lasers versus red lasers. Let's increase the two plasma thrusters, and then let's say that I don't really care about regenerative hull tissue. Let's just pretend that I don't, because I don't. Yeah, turns out I don't. Oh hey, well, that works. Plus 15 power. Ooh. Interesting. Let's go with it. Okay. And then let's see about upgrading you. Upgrade fleet to latest designs, and thank you. Microsingularity. A microsingularity recently intersected Crimdor. I haven't seen this one. Crimdor 4, passing straight through the core and emerging on the other side of the planet. The encounter does not seem to have caused any permanent damage, but it has altered the energy output of the planetary core slightly in a way that defies our current scientific models. Further study may be warranted. And plus 3 science on that spot. Crimdor 4. Where is Crimdor 4? Is that... Is that over here? Nope. Is that over here? Nope. Is that over here? Yes, it is. Okay, cool.
Construction complete.
Okay, who's that? Venezia. Yeah, hey, Venezia.
System survey complete.
Question for you. How's your food? Oh, your food is fine. That's what I thought. Okay, let's start upgrading a couple of things. Let's get more money. We don't need more money. Let's get more science. Let's get some physics here. Let's get some society here. Yeah. What is this? What's another science thing? Oh man, more money. How much is it? It's only 67. It's only 67. That is a steal. Let's do it. Okay. System survey. What do you got? How you doing? How you doing there, Crimdor? You are not a bad system. You're not a great system. I'm not gonna lie. You're not a great system, but that's okay. Go on over here. What do we see?
Construction complete.
Spaceport of Murano. I think you just finished a... Spaceport level 4. Did we go Spaceport level 4? You know what? First things first. Let's go to the Spaceport of Venezia. And let's get you... The first thing we're going to do is upgrade Venezia to a level 3 spaceport, I think it is. The election. Okay, election's fine. Hey, how's our... Okay, cool. I was asking about our mandate. I don't know what our mandate's like. And I have no idea who's going to be our next president. Whoever it is, they're going to be interesting. We'll see what happens. Okay. Construction finished. See, we have a reasonable sized fleet right now. It's not that reasonable. It's not. Okay, so we will focus on that. What else are we doing? Oh yeah, this. Hostile fleet's present. You're moving, right?
System survey complete.
Okay. What do you got here? Ooh. A couple of habitable worlds here, including, well, it's a tropical world. Arid world, tropical world, and Arctic world. At some point we can pick up the Arctic world, but not now. And what do we got here? It's a system.
Anomaly found.
22%. Ooh. Leave. First off, Corderia 3. Where is that? It's up here. Let's... Do we want to change scientist? Sure, let's just change the scientist out. Yeah, let's change that out. I'm not sure how that works, but okay. Yeah, research.
Situation log updated.
Okay, hang on. Hang on. Okay, okay, one of my scientists got pulled out. My genius scientist! Oh, man. Oh, man. We need a new scientist. Anomaly fail risk. Ooh. I actually kind of want him. Oh, we already have one. We already have one. That's fine. Let's get a statecraft, dude. We can't have any more leaders. Oh, man. Let's do something here. Let's do something here. Go to our empire. Leaders. We don't need any more admirals, alright? We just don't. We just don't. Yeah, this guy, Silvestro Tribuno. He's aggressive and engineer. We don't need him. Go away. Agree. Okay, now. Technology. Scientist. You. Let's get you a new scientist. Let's make him, yeah, this guy. Antonio Ziani. Okay. There you go. Yeah, that'll work great. Only 40 months remaining on this. Wow, we need help. Okay, Marco Tribuno has been elected president. So what do you want about minor mandate? We may actually do that. We just pulled in a new system that has a few places to mine, it looks like. So we could pull that off. Yeah, we will pull that off. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Now, where are scientists? Caesar, you have a scientist? Yes. Hang on. Oh yeah, don't do that. Oh, that's what he's gonna do. Oh, can't we just change out scientists? Yeah, let's just do that. You, get me this guy. No, this guy. Can't remove a leader on a research mission. Ah, that system is dumb. Wow. Okay. I guess that's what you're gonna do. I mean, if that's what you're gonna do, it's what you're gonna do. Fine, whatever. Don't care. Silly, silly beings. What do we got? War declaration. What do we got? Iroquois consciousness. You want what? Maval. Oh yeah, you want this guy? You want all of them? You want to swallow most of his territory, and then, yeah, okay, so, yeah, the Iroquois want to take out the Republic of Tendor. They just want the entirety of their territory for themselves, except for Rookbat. They want to liberate Rookbat, and that'd be fine. If you have a nice little baby baby platypus sort of state, and it won't be platypuses, so it's not nearly as cool, but it'll have the right government. That's fine. I don't mind him having these guys. I want the Grand Duchy for myself, just because I do. Actually, because they have these guys right here. I want these guys so bad. They're so cute, and they're an ocean world people. Let's get them in our territory. Make them in our own image. Except they're gonna be all like squiddy and stuff, but that's okay. You know what? Squids are fine. Squids are fine. That's fine. Yeah, they're good at minerals. They're not very good at researching or anything. I don't know what proles means, but we're... You know what? You know what? War it is. Except, hey, how are you guys doing? You're equivalent. That's fine. I wonder if we get, and I think we should, but I wonder if we get influence from winning this war, because they are our rivals. So I wonder. Vote yes. Okay, we're at war. Okay, so that's fun. Construction ship. What the hell are you doing, construction ship? Oh, you're not my construction ship. Not really. In orbit around Corfu. Oh yeah, he's just in orbit. Okay, that guy actually kind of belongs to this sector. I think they built their own construction ship, which is kind of funny. So what we're gonna do here is this. You construction ship, build that mining station, and you construction ship, build that mining station. And then you construction ship, build this mining station, and then you construction ship. Oh, oops! I didn't press click. I didn't press shift. Gotta press shift, kids. Always press shift when you mean to, or when you need to. And then that mining station. All right, 4 mining stations coming on up. We will get that lovely little mandate, and then actually one of the things we got to do is let's spend our stuff. Hey, you know what? Murano needs some help. Murano definitely needs some help. Why are you moving to there? Ugh, that's dumb. So let's... First off, do we want them to be happier? I think we might. They're 70% happy. That's something. Yeah, let's have them be happier. Re-education campaigns. No, propaganda broadcasts. Yes. Now how happy are they? You are 71%, but you're 80%, so that's kind of cool. So then what we can do is this. We can do this. Do we want them to be re-educated? Yeah, sure. And then do we want them to be... And then we want infrastructure. Okay, let's do it. Now we can actually do stuff and build things. Let's get some basic mines. Oh yeah, 22.5 minerals for that. That was nothing. And now we're out of minerals again, because that's the way this game works. Build things until you're out of minerals and then stop building things. Sounds about right.
System survey complete.
Hang on.
Anomaly found.
Anomaly found. 22%? Nah, I don't think so. Leave B for now. Schiaparelli. You know what? Come on over. Come on up to, like, here. Let's see what we get. Hang on. What is this? Oh, you're coming to Zara? Why are you coming to Zara? You're a dummy. Actually, that's pretty smart. So, okay, First Fleet. When are you going to be... When are you going to be done? First Void Skulkers. That just sounds gross. Scout. I don't really need this guy. Let's get a different admiral. This guy is high evasion and high fire rate. Let's do it. No. Oh, he's arriving in 10 days. Okay, so how long before these guys are upgraded? When does that finish? This fleet is already being upgraded. I forgot. Oh, I know where to look. Hey. No, where does it say that when they'll be finished upgrading?
Construction complete.
Hang on. I know there was a place where it said that, but I don't know where that is. Trade deal duration expired. Oh, trade deal with Castile. Don't care. There are rivals now, remember? So we are at war. Hey guys, we do want to, like, attack the people that we're at war with, right? Last I heard, that's a thing. Oh. I just finished building something. Here too. That's too bad. You have your own construction ship. Why do you have your own construction ship? You really just shouldn't.
Station under attack.
Yeah, they're gonna attack our station.
Under attack. Evading hostile fleet.
Yeah, we're gonna lose some stuff. Oh, hey, sweet though. We know what they're doing. Okay, so they are launching a ton of torpedoes and stuff. Okay, cool. So what that really means is this. We're gonna build one more vessel, and I think we have what it takes to do it. Build. PD Destroyer. Once that gets built, we'll send it in.
Construction complete.
Inactive buildings in Murano, that's fine. Murano, what's wrong with your building? Or, yeah, inactive buildings. Hey, move this guy over there. Thank you. Can I upgrade you? Requires planetary administration. Oh, hey, hang on. Upgrade this guy. And we don't have the minerals. So, okay, first things first. On Murano, we're going to upgrade this guy.
Evading hostile fleet. Anomaly found.
Research that anomaly. Yes, thank you. Where's Schiaparelli? What are you doing? Are you on... Oh, you're on... He wasn't on... He was on evasive. No. Don't do that. Just, you know what? Survey this system. No, that's not how this works. You don't go in and get all evasive. No, we've decided against that. Okay, so they really do like medium space torpedoes and small space torpedoes. All right. Okay. So building up another PD destroyer is going to be really, really good for us.
Construction ship under attack. Construction complete.
Hang on. What are you doing? You have quite the little fleet there. Hey guys, can I get some backup? Hey, remember how you're like
Station
attacking these
under
guys?
attack.
He's gonna rip that place apart. Come on. Morano. Finish. Finish! +3 money on Mark has 5. Sounds good.
Station under attack.
Okay.
Construction complete.
When are you done upgrading? How can I tell? I know there's a way. I just don't know what it is. You know what we actually need? I think we actually need another one of those PD destroyers. I don't think that what we have right now can stand up to their torpedoes, quite frankly. Okay. You know what? As soon as this thing gets built, we're sending it in. I don't know when this fleet is going to be done. I don't know. I just don't. Scientist Nicolo Manifesto. Okay, cool. Thank you. Morano. Oh yeah, so good. Where are they? They're just ripping apart this place now. Oh, are they attacking? Oh, they're attacking. Okay, don't worry, guys. We'll deal with them. We'll deal with them. In fact, I think it's going to be another PD destroyer. PD destroyer. Oh yeah. And construction ship in Branca. Where's Branca? Is that up here? No, it's here. Oh yeah, it's the construction ship Branca in Estrapan. Okay, cool. Are you done with both your things? Really? You're already done, okay. Do this. No, you don't have... You know what, just be lazy for a bit, it's fine. Just be lazy for a bit, it's fine. And trade deal with the Iroquois consciousness. I don't know which one that is. I suspect it's our non-aggression pact, but additional mining stations have been constructed. Excellent. 175 influence.
System survey
We're so good.
complete.
We are
Anomaly
not going to do a
found.
42%
Research
failure.
complete.
Okay, what do you got?
System survey complete.
Destroyer assembly yards. Yes, we will play with those very soon. We'll also play with cruisers very soon. Ooh, or armored torpedoes. That is a good question. Ooh, all these are good, actually. Mining Network 3. That's a good question. That is a really good question. Armored torpedoes versus cruisers versus new mining network. Dang. That's a tough one. Well, mining network is quicker. Not that that's, like, a big deal. Armored torpedoes are awfully nice. So armored torpedoes are more likely to be... Oh, they're 100% shield... Oh, no. I think they... Yeah, they better withstand enemy point defense fire, so that's nice. How long does it take? Well, that's a long time. No, let's go deep core mining. 33 months. Let's just do it. Let's just bang it out and play with it later. Rivalry. Iroquois have declared the Aztecs their rival. That's good. The Mark had... Oh, wow. There's a lot of lazy boats. Forlanini, where are you? You're up there. Oh, your construction ship. Galilei, where are you? You're out here, aren't you? Yeah. Come on over here. Just cause. Schiaparelli, where are you? Oh, you finished that. Okay, good. Survey that. Okay. And then Murano. Do we want another PD destroyer? We may. We can. We might as well, right? What's in this? A lot of lasers and a few torpedoes. I'm guessing the torpedoes are actually going to be fairly thoroughly. I'm guessing they have what it takes to shoot down torpedoes because they already have torpedoes. So yeah, Murano, build another one. I think we do. Now let's go laser destroyers. Let's get some firepower going. And then we'll move on them. We won't have equivalent power. We'll actually be a less powerful foe than they are, or a less powerful fleet than they are. Governor Andrea Delphin has leveled up. Very good. What is this? Codria 4, revealed to be a barren planet. Leonardo Candiano gains 200. Who is Leonardo Candiano? Leonardo Candiano, first off, he's level 5. Secondly, Codria 4. Let's find this real quick. Codria 4. What does it say it is now? Codria 4 is... Oh, what was it before? I don't know. Don't care. Okay, I'm gonna go until we get a proper battle, and then we will see what happens. Murano, finish this up. Governor Roberto Contarini has leveled up and gained the trait Iron Fist, which I believe makes him better for slaves, which doesn't help us any. I don't know if you noticed this, but slaves are illegal in our country. Whatever. Resource storage full. Energy credits. Oh, wow. I honestly don't know what to do about that. I don't know. I want some money. Oh, I know what to do. Just give it away to our sectors. Hey, Zara, why don't you have a bunch of cash? Doink, doink. You too, Corfu. Zara, just have more cash. How's that? Ooh, Zara, you should have some more minerals too. There you go. Especially since you're getting the crap kicked out of you right now. Although we'll deal with that in a sec. Murano, almost done. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go.
Complete.
First fleet. No idea when you're going to be ready, but we're sending you in. Whoa. Yeah, they have more troops than... They have more power than we do. First fleet. I don't know. Upgrade fleet for now. If they attack, we'll defend. But that's it. Unemployment. What do you got? You... Whoa, Murano. Hey. House food. Oh. You need more food. Basic hydroponic farm? Yeah, fine. You too. Basic hydroponic farm. Oh no, better yet. Upgrade. Yes. Do that instead. In fact, cancel that. Yes. I wish you could actually move things in a queue, so that this would be automatically the first thing to go, or just so that I could make it so that that's the first thing to go in. Did people immigrate here? Because how did all of a sudden 4 pops get, why are there 4 pops who are unemployed, and I just found out about it? I don't understand. Let's build some farms. We'll probably replace them with something else soon enough, but for now, let's just get some farms. Whatever. Whatever. How long does it take to upgrade these guys? Come on. Starvation, yeah. Yep. Murano's having trouble. I don't know why. Unless, hey, hang on. Murano, edicts list. Are you... No, you're not Land of Opportunity. Did people just emigrate to there? I wonder why.
Anomaly found.
Ooh, 12% failure risk. Yeah, sure. That's tough, but that's fine. Venezia. Veneto, okay. Okay, you guys. Hey, where's my backup? Like... Yeah, what is this? The Teutonic Order fleet is destroying the Tendor homeworld. Okay, that's something. And then the Iroquois Consciousness have some folks over here. And then, yeah, the French are over here. Yeah, but I'm kind of getting kicked around over here. I think what we're going to do, we're just going to let them play their little games over here. Ooh, nice. Nice. Okay. They're leaving now. Okay. We'll deal with this. We will build up a... Okay. It's a little bit of a letdown because there's no battle yet. But we will participate in a battle. But we'll participate in it next time because we got to move all of our troops around. What I've just noticed is that the fleet that beat the crap out of Zara is in fact leaving. So, fun times. And we will rebuild. Eventually. Oh yeah, we can't afford to yet. So we will rebuild and not be stupid. Not be as dumb. But we will do that next time, and we will study this design. Small scouts draft, and 150 engineering research. So, okay, that was a bit of a letdown. What do we got? They have 27 frigates, or corvettes, and 6 destroyers. What do we have? 24 corvettes and 7 destroyers, so it's not that bad. Sorry guys to leave on such a weird note, but we are gonna play this next time. We're gonna let them... How do I say this? We're gonna finish upgrading our dudes, and then we're gonna attack these guys over here in their own world, and then we'll rebuild over here in Zara. Remember Zara, kids. Remember Zara. But we're gonna do that next time. Yeah, there'll be battles. Don't you worry. But on that note, you know, I enjoyed myself, even getting the crap kicked out of us without the help of our allies. Fun times. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, folks.